Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure your AirPods 4 and their case have enough charge. Low battery can skew volume behavior. Next, pair them with the device you'll use and open Bluetooth audio settings to confirm connection. Once done, check system-level volume limits and any headphone safety settings that cap loudness. Disable or adjust if you need higher output. Make sure device media volume and app-specific volume are both accessible. This gets you onto the immediate path to control volume accurately and reliably. Now you refine how you change volume. Use the physical device buttons for broad jumps and the control center or volume slider for fractional adjustments. You can set Siri to adjust volume hands-free by saying exact percentages or dB-like commands and make an accessibility shortcut that cycles through levels. In your Bluetooth device settings, assign press or touch gestures on AirPods 4 for volume up/down if supported, and test increments while playing consistent audio. This tells you how responsive the buds are. To finish, test volume across several apps and media types so you confirm consistent behavior, and tweak EQ to improve perceived clarity without raising output. If controls lag, reset your AirPods 4 by holding the case button and repair. This resolves many software-side volume bugs. Also verify both device firmware and audio codec compatibility. Switching codecs can change loudness and dynamics. If those steps fail, try a different source device to isolate whether the issue is the AirPods or the player. That single test often pinpoints the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.